If you have poor or bad credit and need to borrow money, you might have come across plain green loans. They lend small amounts to people who have poor or bad credit. However, if your credit score is above 600, you could probably get a lower cost form of credit somewhere else. Plain green loans lends as little as $200 and as much as $4,500. However, first-time borrowers are restricted to just $1,000. You can borrow more if you become one of their VIPs. They have 5 VIP tiers that increase the amount you can borrow and decreases the APR you pay. Their top VIP tier can borrow as much as $4,500. For loans of this type, the most important question is how much do they cost? Plain green loans starting APR is 699%. It's hard to imagine the implications of an interest rate that high, but think of it this way. If you borrow $1,000 for 6 months, you would end up paying $2,660 in interest. So your total payback would be $3,660. If you borrow from plain green loans repeatedly and earn VIP status, your interest rate could come down. Your APR drops 100 points for every VIP level you gain. If your interest rate started out at 699% and you take 8 loans with a combined payment time of at least 15 months and thereby earning Emerald status, the interest rate on your next loan would be 199%. So even as a VIP, these are expensive loans. Plain Green is not clear on their website if they charge origination fees, but I don't think they do. They also don't say whether they charge late fees, but I suspect that they do. If you have ever used Plain Green loans, leave a comment and tell us about the experience. Did they charge origination fees, late fees, or dishonored payment fees? Was it hard to pay it off? What was the customer service like? People could benefit from your experience. After being approved and accepting your loan terms, you can receive funds via ACH. This can be done on the same day, but will more likely be funded the next business day. Availability of the funds might depend on how quickly your bank or credit union processes the transaction. If you are a VIP customer, you can choose to have the money funded directly to your debit card within minutes. Plain Green will tie your payment to your payday. For most people, you will have 2 payments a month. Before you accept the loan, double-check the payment schedule. If you think the payment is monthly, but it's really bi-weekly, the loan might seem much more affordable than it really is. Many people wonder how Plain Green can charge the interest rates that they do. These rates violate usury laws in most of the states in which they operate. So how can they issue loans in those states? Well, Plain Green is a tribal lender from the Chippewa Cree tribe operating within the boundaries of the Rocky Boys Indian Reservation in Montana. The Chippewa Cree is a sovereign nation located within the United States of America. That means that the loans from Plain Green are governed by the laws of the Chippewa Cree tribe, not the laws of your resident state. Before you borrow from Plain Green, you should do the following. Shop around and make sure you can't get a better deal somewhere else. Make sure you borrow the very minimum that you need. And finally, make sure you pay the loan off within a few weeks at the latest. Holding one of these loans for months can get extremely expensive. Of course, if you do have poor or damaged credit, you might feel like you have limited options. That's why at the Yukon Project, we've tried to make shopping around easy. If you visit our lending marketplace page, you can apply to any one of our featured lenders. Behind the scenes, we will check your rate with up to 40 other lenders. Our partners use a soft credit check, so applying won't hurt your credit score. We will show you all of your approved offers so you can pick the loan that's best for you. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us out, and we really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.